so people are not able to.
Shall I? Sorry, because of poor connection, network connection.
That's okay.
Shall I
It's okay.
share my thought?
Sure.
Shall I? The same question only.
Yes.
Actually, this biomagnetism intensified exercise, the main purpose is getting the pure magnetism. So the both exercise in mirror and lamp gazing exercise, we are spending our biomagnetism and getting pure magnetism only. When you see the lamp light, it already in the magnetic state only. See, light and sound both are magnetic state only. It is not a object. Tamil it's called Paimapurul. In English it's magnetic. So it's no need to conversation. It's happened in the doing lamp gazing exercise. But mirror exercise, we have to we see our physical body only. Then only it will transfer because we are focusing at one point. So the our astral body project, so we can see our magnetic body. So it's converting time it's take. So I think the conversion time we are taking 2 minutes. In lamp gazing, it's already converted object we are seeing. So no need to transformation and converting not happening. You explained this on yesterday, Ayya. Thank you, Ayya.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you, it's interesting explanation, Amma. Yeah, I was able to I was not able to unmute for some reason. My phone was blanking out. That's why I couldn't repeat them. Good meditation as well from Nitya Balamma. Thank you, Ma. Karthikeyan, you had some thoughts, right, on this
yes,
exercise?
So, yes, so as Purnima told, Purnima was explaining about lamp is actually lamp itself is converted magnetism, right? So what I feel is the lamps, the spreading wave, right? The brightness is what the transformation of light. But that transformation has to be sensed only through our eyes, and when we do that, our mind flows through the eyes and sense the vision. So here the mind is nothing but biomagnetism, like our magnetic wave. So there is an expenditure there, but if you see like there is an expense over there. So but in mirror gazing, when we discussed about it today, I got one more thought that when we are doing a mirror gazing, there is a phenomenon called Udadudal, meaning like it is an internal reflection. I think in English I don't remember the exact word, but it looks like there is a multiple reflections between the object and then the projection. So that Udadudal is happening more on mirror gazing. That intensifies and then it helps to project the astral better than lamp gazing. And lamp gazing, we are not projecting our astral, we are spending our biomagnetism and trying to fill that with the universal magnetism. So that's something I want to share. But on top of everything, on this biomagnetic intensification exercise, Maharishi gives us this in introspection 2 and 3. So before we get into this, the important thing is the introspection 1, where we need to do our thought analysis. So when we do our thought analysis constantly, we need to understand whenever the thought comes in, it has to fall in any one of the 6 reasons. Right, as Maharishi taught us. So we need to understand when the thought rises, we need to understand it belongs to which category, and then we need to put right sankalpa, or we need to do a proper analysis. It has to happen instantly. It has to come through practice only. So when we do that, we know the limit and method very clearly through this analysis of thoughts. And when we do that, our mind will always try to be closer to the pure consciousness. Even though we are doing our day in, day out activity, that's the main practice we need to do, and we need to excel on that. Then if we go into our biomagnetic intensification exercises, it will give more benefits. That's what I feel. Thank you, Ayya. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you, Ayya. Nice explanation. So you will have to be, your mind has to be, it's constantly needs to be cleaned up, like the thought process, everything needs to be cleaned up. Then when you do this exercise, then it becomes more effective. So the mirror gazing, you do the compassionate look or vision, right?
Yes,
So
yeah,
if
yes.
you don't, if you haven't had a purified mind, then it becomes a difficult thing to do. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Be blessed.
Anybody else? Yeah. Anybody else wants to share their thoughts? I'm not able to see the whomever is raising hand. If you want to talk, you can unmute and share your thoughts.
Be blessed with the divine. Thank you, Karthikeya, for the wonderful explanation. That was very noble of Swamiji to give the lamp gazing and mirror gazing exercises after thought analysis, after introspection too, or so that we have refined our karmic imprints. Now, on the same line, we all understand that when we sit up for meditation, our biomagnetic energy, our blood circulation, air circulation, and heat circulation should be regulated. What it means is we should be physically fit to start the meditation, and that we will not have any discomfort in sitting through the meditation session. On the same lines, as Karthikeya said, mentally, our thought analysis should be always on, and that we refine deeply before this lamp gazing and mirror gazing exercise. On the same lines, I would also think that the karmic imprints are not just in one place. It is first it gets reflected in the body as some kind of discomfort or disease and so on. So I think we shall try. I don't know if we all would get the opportunity to do the exercise, physical exercise first before we sit in a meditation, or lamp gazing and mirror gazing. Perhaps we should also be trying this and see maximum benefit. Thank you, Ayya. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you, Ayya. Be blessed by the divine. Wonderful thoughts. I think we are time. Anyone would like to sing blessings for the world?
I'll sing Ayya. Be blessed by the divine.
Be blessed by the divine.
Amma, please go ahead, Amma.
blessing for the world. May rain pour on all parts of the world timely and sufficiently. May food grains grow abundantly to the satisfaction of all living beings. May the leaders of all nations progress in spiritual knowledge and do good services to humanity. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. Thank you, Ayya. Be prosperity.
Thank you, Amma. Be blessed by the divine. So, by the grace of the divine power, all the participants and whomever has sung the God salutations, Guru salutations, and the blessings for the world, and everyone and their family may enjoy their good health, long life, enough wealth, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Be blessed by the divine. With this, we are concluding today's session. Thank you all. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you, Ayya. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Ayya, Prabhu Ayya.
Yes, Amma.
Ayya, be blessed by the divine Ayya.